Hello, today we will guide you through how to stop Zoom from automatically recording. If your Zoom meetings have been starting with recording turned on by default, this quick walkthrough will show you how to disable that setting from your Zoom account. This is useful if you want more control over when meetings are recorded, or if you simply prefer to start recording manually only when needed. To begin, go to the Zoom homepage in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, since recording settings are tied to your account preferences. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the left side of the screen where the navigation menu appears. From there, click on the My Account drop-down in the left navigation bar. This area gives you access to your personal Zoom account options and settings. If the menu is collapsed or not immediately obvious, take a moment to expand it so you can clearly see the available choices. Next, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Zoom account, where you can manage different features related to meetings, recordings, notifications, and more. Depending on your account type, you may see several tabs across the top or side of the settings page. Once you're in Settings, click on Recording. This section contains the options that control how recordings behave for your meetings. It's the place where Zoom lets you choose whether recordings should be automatic or started manually. If you have trouble finding it, look carefully through the available Settings tabs until you see Recording. In the Recording section, locate the Automatic Recording option. You'll see a toggle button next to it. Click that toggle to turn automatic recording off. When the setting is disabled, Zoom will no longer begin recording your meetings automatically. Instead, recording will only start if you choose to begin it during a meeting. After switching it off, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm the setting remains disabled. In some cases, Zoom may show a small confirmation prompt, so if that appears, simply confirm your choice. This helps ensure the change is saved successfully. And that's all it takes. You've now turned off automatic recording in Zoom. Going forward, you'll have more control over when recordings happen, which can help with privacy, storage management, and avoiding unnecessary files.